Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. As promised, today we're going to be reviewing the Hyper Tough mini toolbox and the mini tool cabinet. It's a steel construction and powder coated finish. It's got two-door openings with easy access handles, just as the package says. It has a shelf built for inside. And you can see you can put it in several positions. It closes with a magnet, just like that. It also, Hyper Tough makes a mini toolbox as well. And it comes with red mats and ball bearing slides. They have a flat finish in comparison to the US General box, which has a shiny silver finish. Now the fit and finish on these isn't as perfect as the other ones. As you can tell, they're just they look a little off in some places, but other than that, it's a pretty good little set. As you can see next to the Coke can, to give you a better feeling on the size. Before we get into the measurements, I'm going to show you around my workshop slash storage area slash gym multi-purpose room. And I call it a multi-purpose room because it actually hasn't had a car in here in about 15 years. We store stuff for the shop that we have in town, fitness equipment, larger tools. It does everything except hold a vehicle. Now back to the measurements. So the box says it has a total of 850 cubic inches in storage capacity. It is 11¼ inches tall. It is 11 5/8 inches wide. And it is 7 1/8 inches deep. That's probably 1 inch and 4/16 inches deep. Sorry about that. So the drawers are 8½ inches wide, and you have an access space about 3¼ inches, and they're 4 7/8 inch deep. I even like the way the lid is designed. It's pretty nice. As you can tell, I'm doing all this by hand today. I'm trying something a little different, so bear with me. The hinges look nice. In the back, there's not missing any powder coating, except there's this little flaw right there. And another interesting thing is, it does not say Hyper Tough any place on these boxes. So you can embellish them any way you want. In my next video, I'm going to be embellishing some gifts with stickers. And that'll be a lot of fun too. So Jay Small asked if other boxes could be used with this, and I'm going to show you they can. Just give me one moment. Alright, Jay Small, there is the US General box on top. It fits really nice. Doesn't look bad at all. And if it was in black, which I have another one inside, but it would look much like the Hyper Tough box up on top. But let me show you something else I think you'll find interesting. The Cobalt box also looks good atop it. The little cabinet, no problem whatsoever. And look at that, the Cobalt base 3-drawer box also fits on top of that little cabinet. Plenty of room. So if you want the cabinet and still want the space and drawers, you still have it. And lastly, that full stack with the top box works great. I think that's a winner. The Hyper Tough mini tool cabinet and mini toolbox, a versatile storage solution for your needs.